For more than 30 years, A&C Custom Made Boots has called West Ave home. The tradition of boot making once started by Jose Castillo.
Trabajé una compañía muy famosa.
I worked for Lucchese for 18 years,
Ahí trabajé 18 años. Y de ahí empecé yo
and that's where I got my experience in making boots to make the finest boots in San Antonio.
Bota más fina aquí de San Antonio.
In 1986, Castillo branched out to open his own boot-making business, passing down the craft to his two sons, Jose Jr. and Carlos.
I think I started helping him I was like 16, picked up the techniques that they had, and we pretty much have been keeping it that way since. You know, the old style, the way it should be made, not quantity, but the quality of the work.
With rodeo season in full swing, A&C is staying busy with not only custom boot orders.
You get leather, steel shanks, custom made, hand stitched. You put your mind to it, you put your heart into a boot.
The Castillo clan are also acting as boot doctors, repairing those pairs that have seen a rodeo or two.
A lot of people don't know that you can fix something that is this bad, which is literally through.
The craft very few take on these days.
Make sure it's nice and straight, even. I like perfection.
But one Jose Jr. thanks his dad and late business partner, Thomas Anguiano, for instilling in him.
I have a great appreciation for this person who I learned a lot from. We miss this guy, me and my dad, yeah, he was something else, yeah.
A skill and family legacy he hopes to someday pass down to his own son.
Yeah, I just love everything, about it. The skills that my dad's been teaching me and still teaching me.
So the next time you need to spruce up your cowboy gear, A&C just wants you to know there is family pride in everything they do.
Hopefully our customers appreciate and know that no matter what we do, no matter how long it takes, that our quality of work is always going to be there. Done.
You know, I was wondering why you had in the back of your trunk, your cowboy boots and hat and everything.
I will tease this. It's got something to do with Texas Outdoors.
Ooh.
We're going to do, after the show today,
Okay. That makes sense.
We're going to Bandera, and that's all I'm going to tell you. You have to watch Friday morning to see.
Okay, I can't wait.
All right.
In
I'm gonna be
Bandera,
in my cowboy boots.
Yeah, I was about to say, what's
Can you at least take a picture and show it to us later?
Of my boots?
Yeah, I'm curious. You in your boots.
there's a lot going on in Bandera,
Yeah.
so it can only, I don't know, I can't wait to see
Hopefully
what it
we'll
is.
have